Here I have OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock here the screen. Then let's find and select here the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down and select here the home screen and lock screen magazine. Here let's tap set wallpaper right here, and as you can see, you can use wallpaper from your photos or from wallpaper gallery. Let me use wallpaper gallery. Let's allow theme to access the following permissions, and here you can use the following wallpapers or you can download more. In my case, let me use the following one, for example. Tap OK and choose set as, and you can use it on your lock screen or on your home screen. Let me use it on my lock screen, and that's it. Now after pressing the power key, I should see my new wallpaper. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.